You know that feeling? The air gets thick, the silence gets loud, and your brain just short-circuits. You're stuck next to a stranger, a new colleague, maybe even a date, and neither of you knows what to say next. It's the ultimate cringe moment. What if you could obliterate that awkwardness in under 10 seconds? Today, we're giving you 5 ridiculously simple, high-impact icebreakers that work every single time. No cheesy pickup lines, no weird questions, just pure social gold. Hey everyone, and welcome to the Growth Playbook. Let's get to it. Number 1. The situational opener. This is your secret weapon because it's always relevant. You're both in the same situation, so use it. Don't overthink it, just observe. At a loud concert, I can't believe how amazing the sound is in here. Waiting for a ridiculously slow elevator? I'm starting to think taking the stairs would have been faster, right? At a conference with free food? Okay, you have to tell me, which of these little sandwiches is the best one? It works because it's not personal, it's not invasive, it's just a shared experience. It immediately creates a tiny, we're in this together bond. Easy, effective, zero pressure. Next up, number 2, the specific compliment. Forget I like your shirt. That's boring. You need to level up. The key is to notice a choice someone made. See someone with cool sneakers? Those are awesome sneakers. That color is incredible. Spot a unique pin on their bag. That pin is so cool. Is there a story behind it? They're reading a book, you know? Oh, great choice. The ending of that book is wild. Why is this a game changer? You're complimenting their taste, their personality, not just an object. It shows you're actually paying attention, which makes people feel seen and appreciated. It's a fast track to a real conversation. Number 3, my personal favorite, the hypothetical question. Small talk is a conversation killer. This is the antidote. Ask a fun, low-stakes hypothetical question. Try one of these. All right, quick debate. Telekinesis or teleportation? Or if you had to listen to only one artist for the rest of your life, who are you picking? Or, okay, honest opinion, is a hot dog a sandwich? This is powerful because it completely bypasses the boring "what do you do?" script. It injects fun and creativity into the interaction instantly and tells you way more about their personality than their job title ever will. At number 4, we have the Passion Project Probe. Everyone has something they're excited about that isn't their job. Your mission is to find it. Instead of asking what they do for work, ask, so, what's the most exciting thing you're working on right now? This can be work-related, but often it opens the door to a hobby, a side hustle, or a passion project. Another great one is, what have you been geeking out about lately? People absolutely light up when they get to talk about what they genuinely love. You go from awkward stranger to interested listener in one sentence. And number 5, the I need your help card. People are biologically wired to want to be helpful. Let them. This is super simple. Hey, could you help me with something real quick? I can't decide if the coffee or the tea is the better move here. Or at an event. You look like you know what's going on. Is this the main room for the keynote? You're giving them an easy way to be the expert and do a small favor. It's a psychological hack called the Ben Franklin effect. When they help you, their brain decides it must like you. It's subtle, but it's pure genius. Okay, that's 5 rapid-fire ways to break the ice. But now I want to hear from you. You're a smart audience. I know you've got some tricks up your sleeve. What is your absolute killer icebreaker? Drop your best line in the comments section below. The most creative one gets a pinned comment. Let's create the ultimate resource together. But hold on, you thought we were done? For everyone who stuck around to the end, here is the bonus tip. This is for when you're in a group. It's called the question redirect. If you get asked a question, answer it briefly, and then immediately redirect it to someone else in the group who has been quiet. For example, my weekend was great. I did some hiking. Sarah, what about you? Did you get up to anything fun? This makes you look like a confident and inclusive leader. You take the pressure off yourself and you actively bring someone else into the conversation, making them feel good. It's a total power move. If you got any value out of this video, show some love and smash that like button. Share it with that one friend who could use a little help breaking the ice. And most importantly, hit subscribe and turn on notifications because you're not going to want to miss the content we have coming up next. Thanks for watching. Now go make some connections.